I believe they have an anticoagulant, which means they have like basically a blood thinner. Hey, it doesn't feel good. That's some sharp teeth. He's gonna be killing frogs and lizards. At this side, probably some birds. If you look at his body, he got these lumps in it. That means he's full of parasites. Parasitic hosts are eating him alive from the inside out. Apart from the animals he's eating, he's getting parasites from them. So, yeah. I mean, it's an old snake.